Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau, and today I'm going to show you how to make toffee apples, Chinese style. Let's do this. So what we do with our apples is to cut them into little segments like so. Okay, and then we remove the core and the seeds, also like so. And that gives us some nice bite-sized pieces of apple to work with. Now it's onto the batter. I'm going to put 100 grams of plain flour and 100 grams of cornflour or cornstarch into a sieve. To that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to put it through the sieve to combine it evenly. To this we're going to add about 100 ml of cold water and give it a good mix until we achieve a smooth batter. To that, I'm going to add our apple pieces. Fizzing chopstick means our oil is up to temperature. Let's go. So be very careful, hot oil, drippy things, pain if you're not careful. There we go. And there you go, guys. When they've turned lightly golden brown like this, they should be done. So we can go in with the spider and we can place them on some kitchen roll to drain off the excess fat. What essentially we've made is apple fritters, of course. Imagine how lovely and that's going to be. Imagine how divine that is going to be, encased in toffee. Right, to make the toffee, I've put some granulated sugar into this saucepan, and we're just going to melt it over a low to medium heat until it starts to melt. It'll go liquid, and then we can pour it all over our delicious, crisp, battered apples. Take your time with this, try not to burn it. Make sure you have quite a long implement because this is going to get molten lava hot. So please be careful. If you've got kids around or if kids are making this, make sure that you supervise them at all times. Right guys, as you can see, it's turning into that familiar dark toffee colour, so we're pretty much there. Now this is the delicate bit. This is really hot, so please be careful. Right guys, as you can see, it's turning into that toffee colour now, so we're going to take it off the heat. Please be careful, this is molten lava hot. Check that out guys. And of course, no fritter is complete without a little bit of ice cream. Right guys, moment of truth. Hopefully it's cooled down enough for me to eat. Oh yeah, we've got a set toffee here. Oh, look at that. It blends that childhood memory of the toffee apple with a little bit of kind of adult luxury in the batter and the ice cream. Oh my god, this is nice. It's a shame you can't get it as a takeaway really. But you don't have to, because now you can make it yourself. There is no reason not to. I'm so glad I made this as a recipe. This brings back so much memories. I absolutely love it. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, please give us a like and a subscribe if you haven't. Leave us a comment, tell me what you think. And I will see you in the next video. Take care guys, bye bye.